Peace and love, everyone. This is Sister Iman. I am dropping another video. In this video, I'm going to be talking about Antarctica, and I'm going to read the article. Scientists just found life underneath Antarctica. When you think of Antarctica, the first thing that comes to mind is most likely that is a frozen wasteland. Sure, there is some life in the Antarctic world, but for the most part, the land is mostly made up of a below freezing environment. Now, though, scientists have uncovered a new life underneath the ice shelf. According to a new study, scientists have discovered more marine life than previously expected under the Antarctic ice shelf. The study was published this past week in the journal Current Biology. Using hot water, scientists from the Alfred Wegener Institute, Helmholtz Center for Polar and Marine Research in Germany drilled 2 holes. The holes were roughly 200 meters deep in the Atlantic ice shelf. There they found fragments of life on the seabed, which include over 77 species. Some of the species had already been discovered in Antarctica. However, there were fragments from several new species that they didn't previously know about in the area. This discovery of so much life living in these extreme conditions is a complete surprise and reminds us how Antarctic marine life is so unique and special. David Barnes, a lead author of the study, said in a press release, "It's amazing that we found evidence of so many animal types. Most feed on microalgae, yet no plants or algae can't live in this environment." Barnes said the next big question they have to ask is, how do these life forms thrive in the Antarctic environment? The discovery of life underneath Antarctica is surprising. Researchers said the most surprising thing is how long it has been there. Carbon dating of dead fragments of these seafloor animals vary from current to 5,800 years. Dr. Gerard Kahn, a co-author on the study, said in the release, despite living 329 km from the nearest open water, an oasis of life may have existed continuously for nearly 6,000 years under the ice shelf. The researchers also note that current theories say life becomes less abundant as you move further from the ocean water. Sure, some fish, worms, and other small mobile scavengers can live in these environments. However, filter feeding organisms like the ones found by scientists usually disappear first, especially as you move farther from the water and sun. That doesn't appear to be the cause underneath Antarctica, though. Unfortunately, scientists said the rapid rate of climate change our world is currently undergoing means we have less and less time to study these life forms before their environment cease to exist. So that was an article on the scientists that found life underneath Antarctica. What I'm going to do, I'm going to post the link to this article under the video title. I'm going to close it out. Like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.